Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a side swoop little bun sleek tutorial, as well as a little edges tutorial. And this edges tutorial is mostly for people who don't know how to do their edges like me, but still want them to look halfway decent. So the products I will be using are this Eco Styler brush, giant elastic, little leave-in conditioner, little oil, spray bottle, edges toothbrush, Gorilla Glue for my edges, and oh wait, no, I mean not, this is not Gorilla Glue, this is Gorilla Snot Gel. Don't put Gorilla Glue on your edges. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. So I don't want my hair to be soaked, but I want it to just be damp enough that it's easy to maneuver, I guess. Little leave-in conditioner. And the way I like to part my hair is I do it a little bit curved when I do it to the side. I don't know, I think it's just easier for the swoop. So the hardest part for me to do is always the swoop, because it just never stays the way that I want it to. So yeah, this might take a little while. all done, the next thing that I'm going to do is put on my scarf just to hold my hair down for a little bit. And then I like to do my edges after because, I don't know, I just feel like when I do my edges and put on my scarf, it kind of just, they just don't, I don't know, I just don't like it. Okay, but like I said, this is an edges tutorial for people who don't know how to do their edges. So yeah, I'm gonna put my scarf on for a little bit, and then I'm gonna come back, take it off, do my edges. Okay, so I am back. It's been about 20 minutes. So hopefully everything is laid. Okay, so my tripod literally just fell over and broke, but what matters is that my hair is laid. So, like, yes, girl. That's called drip.
Okay.
I just damped my toothbrush a little bit, and I kind of have to hurry up before I'm late for work, but yeah, let's just get into this edges tutorial. So I'm just going to start by brushing it down just a little. Take a little bit of the glue. I keep calling this Gorilla Glue. It's Gorilla Snot Gel. I probably would be the one to put Gorilla Glue on my edges. Go in, brush again. And now I'm gonna take the comb side of this and just section it off. Then I take a little bit more just for the sides. Yeah. And then I'm just gonna put a little bit more on the swoop because it's kind of like all over the place. As always, never wants to do what I need it to do. And now the final part is sticking about 500 bobby pins into my hair. Yes, fun. So I'm just gonna make sure that this is tight, and then I'm just going to roll. I really just stick the bobby pins anywhere. This is the finished look. And yeah, so that's all for this little tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Really quick, really easy, can do it whenever, wherever. It doesn't require much. And yeah, to be honest, I snapped, but we don't have to go there. But anyways, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.